Last 90 days, I made $37,950 in commission posting affiliate links on Instagram. In this video, I will share with you step by step my methods, my strategies, my secret, so you can do the same and start making some commissions like this, okay? So just last month also, I made $16,972 and it's paid, as you can see over here. This is my affiliate accounts dashboard. This is my invoice, so you guys can see. Anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing using Instagram, this video is for you guys. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you. And let's get started. So step number one, for people who are new to my YouTube channel, you guys need to go to Google and search for this website, search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. So just keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, because they are really paying good commissions. Some commissions can be up to $150, which is really good. It's profitable. And the best part is that each time this person who will buy your affiliate service from your affiliate link, each time this person will make transaction on Fiverr, you will earn commission for the next 12 months. It's a really passive income. So just click over here guys on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. What you will do next, you just need to choose good services that you should start promoting on Instagram to earn commissions. And I will share with you one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Instagram. So next step, go back to your home page on Fiverr. Go back to this home page, click on the search for Instagram Reel Editor. Okay, so since I will promote my services on Instagram, I will choose services related to Instagram. I will choose services that can help people grow their Instagram account, and I can make commissions so people can be interested to buy this service from me. Okay, search for Instagram Reel Editor, scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like top rated seller, level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the feedback of these sellers, they will check the profile of those sellers, they will check the reviews. If those sellers that you are promoting are good sellers, you will make commissions. Also, those people will trust those sellers and they will buy this service from you and you will make commissions. So anyway, let me choose one to show you. For example, you guys can see this one. This one is top rated seller. I will choose this one. I will click. So let's click on his service like this. Just click on the service that you want to use, and this is the proof. 11 orders in queue. It's working. Okay, it's working. People are paying for those services. Okay, you just need to give to people good services. Okay, people keep coming back, meaning that this seller is providing a good service for his customers. So what you will do next, you will copy the profile link of this seller and you will go back to your Fiverr affiliates account and click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and that's it. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you just need to start promoting this affiliate link on Instagram. So how you can do it, you will go back to this seller profile page. Let's check his video.
The idea of risk is built on top of the idea of certainty. And this idea of certainty, that something can be certain. As a business owner, finding the right employee can feel like an impossible.
You guys can see this seller is really providing good service for his customers. So what you will do, guys, you will double click on the video and click on save video. Okay, you need to save this video to your laptop. So I will name this video editor. Okay, and what you will do next, you will go to Google and search for Canva, search for this website. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. It's for free and it's easy to use. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click on over here on video, click on Instagram reel, click on Instagram reel here. You will be again directly to this page. Click over here on upload, click on upload file, and upload this video to your Canva account. So let me find the video editor. This is my video, open, and here you go. Click on your video and your video will be over here like this. Let me show you, like this. I will make the video like this. Click over here on the background, click on background color and choose a black color. Click on text and scroll down. Just click on text and scroll down and choose which text style you like to use. I'm gonna use this one. I will put this text here. I will delete the second one, decrease the font size of this text and write this sentence. Check link in my bio. We will put our affiliate links in our bio. Okay, exactly like this. Duplicate, put this one here, and here you go. Let's check.
The idea of risk is built on top of the idea of certainty. And
you guys can see this is your Instagram reel video. Click on share and click on download over here. Go to your Instagram account, upload this reel video and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just started this business and if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. Because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same. Go to Instagram and put your affiliate link in your bio. Of course, you will not use your Instagram personal account. No, of course not. You need to create new account, new Instagram business account. Choose good name, create good bio, and put your affiliate link in your bio. Start promoting those services that will help people to grow their Instagram account. You can make so much money with this business if you stay consistent, if you keep learning, keep doing more research, making good content that you will use to promote your affiliate links on Instagram. I can guarantee to you that you can make really so much money. Okay, those services are still working. People need those services to grow their Instagram accounts, and that's it. Okay, for people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. For if you guys are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in my description. And for people who want to start promoting a lot of services, you guys can create an affiliate website and you can put all the services that you want to promote inside your affiliate website, and in your Instagram bio you will put only your affiliate website link. So people will check your affiliate website, they will find all the services that you are promoting. Okay, you can go to YouTube. I think it's already there on YouTube, how to create an affiliate website, and you're gonna find a bunch of videos that you can learn how you can create your affiliate website for free. Of course, there are a lot of websites that you can use to create an affiliate website for free. If you guys want me to make a video about this, how to create an affiliate website, let me know in the comments. and they will do it for you. Okay, that's fine. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, leave a comment. See you in my next video.